In this video, we'll be looking at web application security standards and best practices. Now, every single day, thousands of websites are attacked. Hackers don't only target big companies, they target small businesses, startups, even personal projects. And most of the time, the reason is simple: weak web application security. If your application stores user data, login credentials, payment information, or even simple contact forms, it is a target. So in this video, I'll break down the most important web application security standards, the global recognized frameworks you would know, and the practical best practice every developer must follow. So let us get started. Now, this is a bug bounty series. This is a practical bug bounty series. I'm sorry, we have to do some theory before we can get to the practical aspect, so bear with me. This course includes a lot of practicals, so you would soon start getting the fun stuff. Now, what is web application security? What is web application security? Web application security refers to protecting websites and web-based systems from cyber threats. This includes user data, authentication systems, APIs, databases, payment systems. Now, web applications are exposed to the internet, which means they are exposed to attackers. They are exposed to these bad guys. The common threats include SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication, data breaches, and common misconfigurations. To reduce these risks, security standards and best practices exist. Let's look at the most important ones. OWASP is the industry standard, and it is one of the most important organizations in web security. And the full meaning of OWASP is the Open Web Application Security Project. OWASP is good. It's a global non-profit organization that is focused on improving software security. Their most famous publication is the OWASP Top 10. This is the list of 10 most critical web application security risks. Some examples include the injection attacks like the SQL injection, broken access control, cryptography failures, security misconfigurations, cross-site scripting, which is also called XSS. Now, the OWASP Top 10 is used worldwide by developers, security professionals, and companies as a baseline for secure coding. Now, if you build web applications, you must understand OWASP. It is considered the foundation of web security awareness. Now, we have the ISO 27001. It's a global security framework. Now, another major standard, it comes from the ISO. The ISO 27001 is not just about coding. It focuses on building an information system, which is also called ISMS. This includes risk assessment, security policies, access control policies, incident response planning, continuous improvements. Now, large companies use the ISO 27001 certification to show clients that they follow strong security practices, while OWASP focuses on technical vulnerabilities. Now, ISO 27001 focuses on security, organization security management, and both are very, very important. Moving further, we have the PCI DSS, which is the payment security. Now, if your web application handles credit card payments, then you must follow this standard. The standard enforces strict requirements such as encrypting card holder data, securing payment gateways, limiting access to sensitive data, and regular monitoring and testing. If you ignore PCI requirements, your business could face heavy fines or lose the ability to process payments. best practices every developer must follow. Now let's talk about the best practices that developers must follow. Now standards are important, but implementation is everything. Input validation. Never trust a user's inputs. Always sanitize and validate data before processing it, and this will help to prevent the SQL injection, cross-site scripting, command injection, and it validates on both client side and server side. Now let's look at strong authentication. Now the use multi-factor authentication, secure password hashing like bcrypt, section expiration, account lockout policies. Now weak authentication is one of the most exploited vulnerabilities in the cybersecurity space. Now let us look at HTTPS everywhere. Always use SSL and TLS encryption. This protects data in transit because users and your server, without HTTPS, attackers can intercept sensitive data. Secure coding practices. Follow secure coding guidelines. Conduct regular code reviews, static code analysis, pair security checks, and security should be a part of development and it shouldn't be something that is added later. Regular testing. Now you have to perform vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, security audits. You can also consider bug bounty programs. Testing helps you discover weakness before the attacker does, and this can lead to losses. Keep security systems updated. Outdated frameworks and plugins are the most or a major security risk. Always apply security patches, update dependencies, remove unused services. Many major breaches happen because of unpatched software. For example, we have the Equifax breach, which happened due to an unpatched vulnerability. An incident involving the Facebook shows how misconfiguration can expose user data. Security negligence also costs billions. Now, web application security, it is not optional, it is a necessity. To recap, you have to follow OWASP guidelines, you understand the ISO 27001 standard, you comply with the PCI DSS if handling payments, validate user inputs, use strong authentication, encrypt everything, take regular tests. Security is not a one-time tax, it is an ongoing process. The cost of prevention is always lower than the cost of a breach. Thank you, and you have to subscribe, follow, and like and share. See you in the next video.